How to stop friends joining on Roblox Mobile. So no matter what version of the Roblox game app you're using, whether you're on Android or iOS devices like the iPhone or iPad, the process will be the same. The first step is going to the home page, then click in the bottom right hand corner where it says more. Once you're there, you want to scroll down to the settings menu. Go ahead and click on settings. There, you'll want to click on privacy and content restrictions. Then you have a few different options. The first one you're going to want to click on is visibility and private servers. There you want to click on visibility. Then in the visibility section you want to turn all of them, so online status to no one, show current experience to no one, and make sure the share activity options updates at the bottom is turned off as well. That should be automatically off. And also you can go into this section here in private servers and click on no one. That means no one will be able to see any of your activity on Roblox Mobile. So leave a like on the video if it helped and subscribe for more helpful videos.